Good morning, ma'am. I am going to create a program for number 1 to convert liter to milliliters. Hint is liter is equals to 1, milliliters is equals to 1000. Include IOStream, then using namespace std semicolon, then int main parenthesis, then brackets, then start. So the data type we use is float, because float is based on decimal numbers compared to int. Int cannot read decimal numbers. Int can only read whole numbers, so we will use float. Liters, then semicolon, then cout, this is the output, then left shift, then string output, enter the amount of liters, then colon space, then semicolon, then next line is cin, then left right shift, so the input is liters, then semicolon, then float milliliters is equals to liters times 1000, semicolon, then this is the result, cout, left shift, liters. So the converter, left shift, then output liters is equal to space, then left shift, then milliliters, left shift again, then string milliliters. So left shift, then end L, semicolon, then the terminator is return 0. So let's run. Oh, so this is, so my compiles, ma'am, is correct, ma'am, because the program is running. So the output is, this is the output, enter the amount of liters. So it asks the user the how many amount of liters. So for example 8.5. so this is the result. So 8.5 liters is equals to 8500 milliliters. Then thank you, ma'am.